You need to get this. No, this is going to make my movie watching experiences so better. Bro!
No, let me think of something more productive.
Movie, more like work. This is the game changer. Honestly, don't walk, run. And a cooling fan. Now that's so cool.
Wait, did I just rhyme?
What's good, honeys? It's Danielle here. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and join the family. You're going to love it on this side. We'd be glad to have you. Can you guys tell I'm excited? Okay, I can't wait to unbox this with you guys. We are going to be unboxing this multifunctional laptop table, okay, or let me call it the adjustable foldable laptop stand. I got this laptop stand from the Comfy Space on Instagram. Kindly go check them out. I'm also going to be putting in the description box below. If you are interested in getting one, you can click on the link and then order yours. It's 200 Ghana cedis, but if you mention me, Danielle, you are going to get 15 cedis off your purchase. Wouldn't you want that? So let's get straight into it. I'm going to be reviewing it with you guys, setting it up and everything. So if you guys are interested in finding out how everything goes, then stick and stay to the end of this video.
The stand came with a mouse pad and also an anti-skid stopper, which I'm taking out right now. This is to prevent your laptop from sliding off. It also came with a USB cord for the cooling fan, which you connect to your PC. Here is the mouse pad up close. It comes with a screw that you tighten to the side of the laptop stand. You can use it whilst you work. And now to my favorite part. This laptop stand comes with a cooling fan built underneath, which you connect to your PC via a USB cord to cool down your PC when it overheats. This is where I was sold. A cooling fan? What? Take all my money.
Damn, what is that, bro?
Now on the sides of the laptop, you can see the adjustable foldable joints, which you can always adjust to your convenience. This is the manual that came with it. On it, it has a variety of ways in which you can fold the stand to suit you. Now let's try folding the stand and using it with my laptop to see how well it works with it. On each side of the joint, there is a dial with a button. You push in the button to adjust the angle of the stand. I have on acrylic, so I can't do that very well. So I folded up my finger and pushed it in. It swings open the stand and allows you to put it in any position that is convenient for you. I was able to work it out into this position for one side, so I had to repeat it for the other side as well so that it's even. Now there we have it, our laptop stand in this position. Now let's try out another angle for our laptop.
We are going to try and achieve number this one. I don't know if you guys can see it. We are going to try and achieve this one. Let's get into it. For information, if you have on long nails like I do, it would be a problem. So I'm going to be using this to push it in. Okay, I need to push them in to achieve it.
Now let's please respect ourselves and pretend you didn't see me using perfume oil to push these buttons. Struggles of having acrylics. So I'm going for a perpendicular angle where I can make my laptop stand sit up straight. I've done it for one side, so I'm going to repeat it for the next side.
So we did it. This I was like. Okay, so now we've been able to achieve the look that we're going for. Okay, this look, this is how it looks. Alright, now let's test the strength. Let's see if it's strong enough like it says it is.
So on the box it says high strength ABS plastic joint combined with high-tech screen printing skill, convenient for your adjustment. So let's see if this high strength is really high.
To support my laptop. Guys, my laptop is very heavy. It's not like the lightweight laptops. If it can hold my laptop, then I'm pretty sure it can hold yours if yours is lightweight too as well. Okay, so let's see.
Now, to the moment of truth. If this thing can't support my laptop, then run me my money. When you have serious trust issues, you always have to do a double check.
Shocking. Guys, this is it on my bed right now. It's holding it.
I must say I was impressed and still in awe because my laptop is really heavy and it was actually supporting it very well.
I don't know why I'm waiting for it to fall. It's stable. It's not falling, guys. It's actually strong, like it said on the box. You weren't lying. It's true, no cap. If it's been able to hold my laptop, then it can hold yours too, alright? Yo, this is going to make my movie watching experiences so better. Bro!
No, let me think of something more productive.
Movie, more like work. Honestly, I'm so impressed, guys. I'm so impressed working with this, okay, in bed, watching movies in bed. See, I'm just chilling. I'm so impressed. Let me fix the mouse pad and then let's get to it. Like, let me fix the mouse pad.
Alright, so now that we have figured out how to adjust the angle of the stand, we are going to work out where the mouse pad is going to be. These are the screws that go to the stand to tighten it, but I'm wondering which slot is going to go through. I used the manual and then I got some help. It's actually on the right, so let's do this. So I've finally tightened the screw. Now what we have to do is to put in the mouse pad and then tighten it once more to fit where it's supposed to be. I like the fact that it's tilted to support your arm when it rests on the mouse pad. Now that's it. We finally figured it out. So this is how it looks like. Next up, we are going to figure out how the cooling fan works. In case your PC overheats and you need to cool it down, there is a slot just by the cooling fan. You insert the USB cord and then insert the other end into your PC. I did that and I was wondering why it wasn't working till I realized I had to check it once again. So there is actually a switch by the cooling fan. You need to turn it on to activate the fan.
Now these are the stoppers. I would have to figure out how they also work. Okay, so it sets here to rotate it at a 90-degree angle to complete. So that means it goes this way. Let me see. Oh, great. That was easy. Simple. Very, very
These
simple.
are anti-skid, so basically it's supposed to prevent your laptop from slipping off the stand. It's already secure, so this is more like double security. And that's impressive.
I'm totally impressed with this design. Okay, very, very efficient and very sturdy. My laptop is really, really heavy and it's still able to support it. It has a mouse pad. Okay, it also has a cooling fan underneath. What more do you want? You should totally check out Comfy Space and then get yours, because this is amazing, honestly. And the fact that you can adjust it however you want to be comfortable in bed when you just want to lounge. Okay, just chill and do your thing. Bro, this totally changes everything. This is a game changer.
Mind you, this is not just used in your room. You can also use it on your sofa, you can use it on your table, you can even use it on the carpet, anywhere that you are at home where you want to be productive but then still be at comfort whilst you work.
You need to get this, trust me. This is going to be a lifesaver. It's going to change the whole game, honestly. My God, I'm so impressed. You have to get this. Don't walk, run. Run and go and get this. It's stable, there are stoppers, there is a mouse pad. This mouse pad, it has a mouse pad and a cooling fan. Now that's so cool. My God. Or you're lazy but you still want to stay productive, then this is for you. You can lie in bed and perfect. Alright, so that's it for the review. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Okay, if you did, kindly leave me a like and comment below what you want to see next. If you guys want to go get this laptop stand, it's 200 Ghana cedis, but if you mention me, Daniel, you get 15 cedis off your purchase. So I'll be leaving the link in the description box below to Comfy Space Instagram page. Alright, so go check them out and get yours. This is a must-have, honestly, if you want your life to be very, very easy. Okay, anything that makes my life a little bit easier, I'm surely going to go for it, because this is totally worth it, honestly. Okay, don't walk, run and go onto their page right now and go get yours and thank me later. Thank you guys for watching once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.